Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do another interesting technique of showing the heavy 3D gold work embroidery look over the garment. So here is a reference picture. I was inspired from this look and also I was inspired from the artwork of another illustrator. I will be sharing the links in the description box. You can go and check out all the inspiration source, especially creating the 3D gold effect using any type of heavy art material. So here I will show you that how I achieved the look, and you can also try this out. Maybe you can use something different material of your own choice. So guys, it's all about taking any inspiration and doing it maybe in your style or using any other mixture of other elements. So yes, it's always important to start taking inspiration and also doing your own experiments. So firstly, I'm doing the base, that is the fabric. I'm going with this colors. Guys, I'm writing down the colors, and I will recommend that you can go and check out this video particularly of doing the crushed velvet look. So here I'm trying to create that similar thing by using lots of texture, using my brush only, and layering it with colors. Now velvet is a very textured fabric. It has lots of dark shadows and highlights as well. So just trying to bring little more textures and giving this folds by going layer by layer using darker color, and at the last we will use black over it. Another thing you can try, guys, when you are making these textures, you want to blend between the darker color and the lighter color, is using your wet brush just to blend between the color. So that will give a nice textured effect, but also will bring that nice blend between the colors. So I'm done with the garment and let it dry nicely because it was very wet. We have used lots of colors and layers. So let it dry completely, then only we will work with the textures over it, the gold textures. And meanwhile I'm coloring the hair. I'm going with little yellowish color and a mix of burnt umber and black over it to give the fine hair strokes using a detailing brush. Now all the list of the materials I will be mentioning in the description box, and you can go and check out the other videos as well, and you can also comment down below that what other type of videos you would like to see. I'm reading all the comments and I'm working on the videos which you guys have recommended. So I'm working on the videos, and so yes, keep on commenting guys so that I have an idea that what videos you would like to see more in the channel. So guys, I'm done with the detailing of the face. I've used a Micron 005 for giving the eyebrows and the eyes shape detailing, and going with the Staedtler pencil for the lips, and blending it little with the brush to give a watercolor effect. And now is the fun part. I want to keep a little blackish kind of look for the face. I want to keep it in black and white so that the gold pops up. This is a charcoal stick. I got it from a local store, and I will take little bit of the charcoal on this paper, and I'm using a cotton bud to pick the color and slightly put it on the illustration to blend maybe, or like giving something like a contouring of the face. So yes guys, this method just for giving that little shading on the face. You can also use any other type of material also. Honestly, this was little difficult to blend. I mean, it's better to use any kind of pencil like charcoal pencil or shading pencil, but I do use this charcoal stick for giving very heavy shading on the garment. So I thought of maybe giving the shading here on the face also. So anyway, this is what I came up with. I'm giving the final detailing with the Micron, and I wanted to keep the face just this much, no added colors, so that the whole focus would be on the bright gold details. For the gold color, I'm using the Galleria acrylic color from the Winsor and Newton company. Now this is the same brand which makes the Pro marker, the alcohol markers, and I wanted to try this color particularly. And here is the color guys, I got it from Amazon. Now this is acrylic color, so I'm using this color for giving the heavy gold textured look. I will not mix any other medium to it. So guys, using this color I will try to build up that heavy textured look. So I'm taking the color here, you can see it's very bright, and it's very thick also. So I will not mix any other medium to it, just pure color, and I'm using my brush to pick the color and directly put it on this space. So here I will go with very abstract pattern. I'm not following any of the pattern from the reference picture, just I was having fun creating this kind of effects. So guys, do let me know, and you can comment down your mediums which you use for giving your gold details. In the last few months I have tried lots of different gold colors actually, like a gold marker, some gold pen, some gold watercolors. So there is another video, another unboxing video of the gold watercolor. So again it's very different because that was gold watercolor and this is gold acrylic. So you can also let me know if I should make another video where I show you all the gold colors which I have and how I like to use them. So for me, currently gold color has become one of my favorite for doing this kind of thick works, heavy jewelries, some kind of ethnic or bridal works, or even this kind of like western coutures or any other type of stylized garments. So yes, we can definitely play around with the textures, the patterns, doing the wash and creating lots of different effects and enhance all our illustrations. lastly, just to enhance more of the pattern, I'm mixing little black to the color, and this I will again use for creating some more depth or creating some more textures. So the color is still wet, it has not dried completely. So here I can go again and use little more pattern and give some more effects over the color here. So again, it's a very fun thing, very relaxing thing. You just follow your own heart and keep on creating textures. So sometimes it's good that we also use something from our own idea or taking some inspiration. Now this is again something which I was heavily inspired, and I thought of making it, and I was seeing that which type of pattern I would like to use. So yes guys, definitely I had lot of fun doing this one. So one more alternative medium I think we can use is using any kind of golden glitter powder. Like you can put the glue and then we can use some kind of golden glitter powder on any other color glitter powder. So yes, right now I was getting so many ideas of doing this type of heavy look, something like a 3D look. So yes, maybe I will come up with more such videos where we can use this type of ideas and keep on creating that depth on the garment, especially for doing some kind of textures or embroidery looks or creating that jewelry effect over the garment. So yes guys, do let me know how you enjoyed the video, and you can also share your ideas and your own creative ideas which you would like to try and which I should also try. So I will let it dry now, and it took one whole day to settle in completely. And after it was dry completely, it was still there, like I could feel that texture with my hand. It was giving this nice 3D look, and I will be uploading this on my Instagram feed as well. So guys, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel and keep illustrating. Take care. Bye bye.